tasks from telecom operators may be missing for some time. Watch for notification. Now you want to earn from this side to come and click here. Task. This is where you can receive calls from the numbers. Receive a call, then the call will last for 4 seconds. When the call is over, you earn some credit. Now you don't need to answer the call for you to earn, so you just leave your phone to ring for 4 seconds, and then the call will be over and you will earn some credit there. Then when you want to refer friends, to come and here and click on referral program. Share the referral code with your friends and get a bonus that accrues after a friend accepts one job. Bonuses depend on the country of the invited friend and his mobile network. Now, as you can see here, this is my referral code. You get it down in the description box. Make sure you use that referral code for you to earn credit. Now, if you invite someone from Austria, you will be paid 120.55 shillings by referral. Somebody from Belgium will be paid 120.55. Somebody from Denmark, the same. Canada, the same. Switzerland, the same. United Kingdom, the same. Greece, the same. Now, when you invite someone from Brazil, you will earn 96.44 per referral. Kuwait, 96.44. Brazil, the same. Latvia, 60.28 per referral. Cyprus, 48.22 per referral. Germany, 48.22. Czech Republic, Bulgaria, 48.22. France, 36.17. South Korea, United Arab Emirates, the same. USA, 24.11 per referral. Tanzania, 24.11. Jordan, Yemen, China, Sierra Leone, you both be paid 24.11 per referral. Spain, 12.06. Romania, the same. Congo Democratic Republic, the same. Mali, you'll earn 2.41 per referral. Estonia, 36.17 per referral. Lithuania, Saudi Arabia, you earn 24.11. Down, as you can see, Nigeria, 3.62 per referral. Pakistan, 2.41. Iraq, 1.21. Andorra, 6.03. Benin, 6.03. Burkina Faso, 6.03. Down, you move down. There are many countries which you can refer somebody for you to earn credit. Now, up here, as you can see, countries like Austria, Belgium, Greece, United Kingdom, Switzerland, Canada, Denmark, Brazil, Kuwait, Latvia, Cyprus, Germany, Czech, Bulgaria, France, South Korea, and the United Arab Emirates. They have high referral credit. So I'll show you how you can get people from these countries to sign up using your referral code. Now you go to Facebook. Go to Facebook. For example, this is my Facebook account. Then from here, network issues, but it will not. Here you come and search. Somebody from maybe United Arab Emirates workers. Yes, you search here, then you'll find there are some groups here which you join, then share the idea of this app, and then from there you'll get some people signing up using your referral code, or you can come and search Austria maybe forum groups. For example, Love Austria group, add from Austria to Australia, add United to the world, youth opportunities for Austrians. You join these groups and share your referral code. As you can see, there are some people sharing their things here, so you can also share your referral code here and the idea of the app for you to earn. And in this case, both of you will earn, so both of you will benefit from the app. That's all for today. Let's meet next time when I show you how you can make more money from certain websites. There are more than 60 websites and apps which I'll share to you and show you how to make money with them. Now, if you are new to my channel, kindly like, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to share it to your friends so that they can also know on which ways they can make money online in simple ways. That's me.